Right, here we come to the elevators at Agnes Arnold Hall, University of Houston, Texas. These two are original Westinghouse elevators from 1967, and this right here is your Fujitec elevator that was added on in 1995. Anyways, as you can tell by this big plaque right there, you know what this means. These elevators are going to be modernized, so this will be a final ride on these original Westinghouse elevators with your only exception of your slap-on vandal-resistant buttons. Let's ride, here we go. Let's see how well I'm able to get a good video because this thing is increasingly busy. I mean, lots of people are getting on. Your Westinghouse door interlock. Just got a G. We're gonna ride the Fujitec elevator in a little bit. I'm gonna ring the bell. Six. Here we are at 6. I'm gonna ring the bell. You know what, so I'm gonna get a cab view before this thing gets packed up. The cab has obviously been redone at some point, but other than that, it's mostly still original. You got your EPCO SSL on the inside, but PTL on the outside. Anyways, we're gonna stop at floors 5 through 2 because these certain floors right here have some of the most rarest, interesting mechanical chimes that you don't get to hear every day, and you'll see what I mean as we go down. So let's stop at 5 first. Hopefully no one calls it. Get a listen. Does that sound familiar to you? That is one of the absolute best chimes that I've ever heard. Oh, that's the best one. I did not even realize they have those kinds of chimes until I heard it just today. Alright, now we'll try it on 2, and after that we're going to end the video on 1 and ride the Fujitec elevator. Here's your 88 phone right there. So there's the Fujitec we're going to ride next. I will say, floors 2 to 5 have some of the most epic mechanical chimes I've ever heard. I believe these used to have the black buttons before they were modernized. Alright. as soon as we're done with this elevator, we're gonna ride this one right across from us. So there goes the Westinghouse elevator. See, got your PTL call station. I'm gonna ring the bell one last time. See, that's your standard mechanical charms you see there. Oh, here's a better view of the interlock right there. Got your original Westinghouse door interlock. Alright, we're gonna watch it close and then we'll ride the Fujitec elevator. As you see right here, this elevator car right here unfortunately does not work, so we're not gonna bother with that. Anyways, we'll ride the Fujitec elevator. Dual chime, interesting. Oh, that was the Westinghouse behind me. There goes the Westinghouse right there. This one's a Fujitec. Ooh, PTL, COP. Can't hear the motor well because of the fan. These are your fixtures. These are PTL fixtures, stands for Praise the Lord. According to Andrew, PTL is a Christian company that stands for Praise the Lord. So if you guys are a Christian, these are the Westinghouse elevators we just rode, and we'll ring the bell. Three. Is completely burnt out. Let's see if the bell works on this floor. These are the Westinghouse elevators I just rode. No, it does not. No, that indicator does not work. We're gonna end the video on the ground floor because I want to show you the other Fujitec elevator. This one's a lot bigger than the other one. This elevator here was installed in 1995. It was added on later. It's your PTL slap-on mod. The call station is original. Home. It's missing the Fujitec label on the top of the floor indicator. I can't even tell if it's moving on, it's so slow. We'll watch the button go out. Alright, we're gonna go ride the other one and I'll show you why. Gosh, this thing is slow. It takes forever to level. See, this button right here is original. It's what the inside. This button is what originally looked like on the inside. All right. Now we're gonna ride the last one. So look how beautiful this A-train is, and look at this. Look at the murals that they painted. Wow. Sorry about the ambulance. Or it might be a fire truck. See, look at this elevator lobby on the ground floor. Look at this. Wow. I should have included this in my last video when I first filmed this. Anyways, we're gonna ride it up to 3 and then get off at 1 in the video. Anyways, look at this right here, see? This right here is the service elevator right here at Agnes. And as you can see right here, this elevator right here is right now in the process of modernization. See, the call station's already been taken out. Anyways, my elevator is here, so we're gonna catch it. We'll take a quick ride on this one. Fujitec. And this one's original. The elevator's low on oil. All right, down to one end there. Sorry about the hollering. This elevator says low on oil. Anyway, these are your original vanity style fixtures. Whatever, this thing is just slow as can be. One more. One's already pressed. Have a good one. Because he was singing, I had to edit out part of that video, so I do apologize. Anyways, there it goes. And that is going to be all. As you see, that service elevator is already in the process. See, this elevator is already starting its modernization right now, and it's been going on for quite a while. So with that being said, that concludes the final ride on the elevators at Agnes Arnold Hall. So if you want to pause the video if you want to read that. And with that being said, that'll be it.